So I'm excited to share to you this news. Manny Pacquiao versus Floyd Mayweather rematch is happening September 19 sa Las Vegas po sa The Sphere. Ito yung high-tech na venue sa Las Vegas. Ang pag-uusapan natin dito, no, may statement na si Manny Pacquiao regarding this. May official press release na akong natanggap. Yung mga detalye, ano sa tingin ko dito sa laban na ito, bakit worth it pa rin panoodin? At sabi ko naman sa inyo, pag yung source ko nagsalita, siguradong legit yan. So pag-usapan na natin yan pagkatapos po ng mabilis na intro.
Podcast Sports, the number one independent sports voice of the Philippines.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Pau Salud ng Pauka Sports, the number one boxing creator sa Pilipinas. Original, syempre, pag Manny Pacquiao, dyan tayo nagsimula. Syempre, kailangan ibalita natin to. Ikalat natin ito. So, please share na agad. Ako na mismo nagsasabi, legit na legit. At, hindi rin naman ako kasi Netflix mismo gumawa na po ng poster at tinweet na rin po ng Netflix yan. So, official na yan. Hindi na ako nagsabi niya pero naalala nyo, ang dami kong post regarding this, no? Upcoming, no? Walang nagsasalita. Pero, nakaamoy ako na Floyd Mayweather versus Manny Pacquiao. Ang dami kong post niyan, di ba? So, alam niyo na, yung source ko talaga ibang klase. Salamat dun sa source ko sa boxing, iba talaga. Alright, anyway, ito po yung Manny Pacquiao versus Floyd Mayweather. Yung statement ni Manny Pacquiao, next na kasi nakatanggap ako ng press release. At ito po yung ating Facebook page. Pakita ko lang sa inyo muna ha. So sa mga hindi pa po naka-follow sa ating Facebook at saka YouTube, paki-follow na lamang po, no? So, ito, Manny Pacquiao, naggawa na rin po tayo ng sarili nating artikulo dito. Pakibasa na lang po. Nasa paukas.net website din po siya. Ito yung official poster ng Netflix. At yung article, no? At ito yung picture namin ni Manny. Alright. You know, pala si Naoya Inoue tsaka si Nakatani nag-announce din ang laban May 2 sa Tokyo Dome. So, anyway, let's go ahead and talk about this. I first and foremost, what I want to say is I really, isa ito sa parang wish ko na mangyari. So, nangyari na nga. At one more thing para ipakita sa inyo na tuloy talaga, nasa BoxRec na po. Ayan, no? September 19, 2026. It is already on BoxRec. And BoxRec is one of the reliable sources of boxing aside from Pauka Sports. So, kung si Pauka Sports nagsalita na, si Netflix nagsalita na, at marami na rin pong news outlet ang nagsalita, ibig sabihin, tuloy na ito. Pero malayo pa to, no? And a lot of things can happen, but certainly, I pray and I hope na matuloy ito. And isa po sana sa request ko sa inyo, sana iparating natin kay Manny Pacquiao, tsaka tulungan niyo po ako. This is the first time and probably the last time I'm gonna ask for Manny to take me to Las Vegas. It could be, I think this could be his really real last fight as a pro. And dati hindi kasi nahihiya kasi yung manghingi. Marami na siyang napadala na sports media, sports outlet. So kung napapanood niyo po ito, i-share po natin kay Manny at share niyo po para po kumalat. Pauka Sports. Ito na yung yung bring Pau Salud of Pauka Sports to Vegas. I need your help, I need your support. Wala tayong visa sa US. So sino po yung tutulong at kung may iba naman third party mag-sponsor, pwede rin. I'll bring your brand there. But anyway, basahin ko muna yung bagay sa sarili ko. Basahin ko muna yung press release po. Official press release na sinend po sa akin. So, Manny Pacquiao released February 24, 2026. No? This is verbatim ko pong babasahin sa inyo. Ibig sabihin, the exact article that was sent to me by the PR, I will send it. Okay? I will read it to you guys. Okay? So, the rematch. Manny Pacquiao vows to shatter Mayweather's perfect record at the Sphere. So the long-awaited moment of boxing fans has finally arrived. Manny Pacquiao is set to settle the score and deliver the first official loss of Floyd Mayweather Jr.'s career. The two legends will collide in a professional rematch on September 19 at the state-of-the-art Sphere in Las Vegas, streamed globally to millions on Netflix. For Pacquiao, this fight represents more than just a boxing match. It is an opportunity to provide a full circle moment for the sport and a final historic victory for the Filipino people. Pacquiao has dedicated his bout or this bout to his fellow Filipinos, stating that his primary motivation is to bring glory to the Philippines on the world's most innovative stage. While their 2015 fight of the century shattered every financial record in history, many felt the outcome was skewed by a shoulder injury Pacquiao suffered during training. Now at 47 and coming off a dominant professional return against Mario Barrios, Pacquiao is healthy, motivated, and ready to prove he is the superior warrior. After a decade of chasing rematch, the Filipino icon finally has the opportunity to erase the zero from Manny Pacquiao's or from Mayweather's 50-0 record. By partnering with Netflix, Pacquiao is ensuring his guest or his quest for glory is seen by over 325 million subscribers worldwide, and far reach beyond the traditional pay-per-view. While Mayweather 49 continues to coast through exhibition and talk about his past wins, Pacquiao remains the people's champ, fueled by desire to give the fans the definitive ending they deserved years ago. Both legends are ending their retirement to settle this rivalry professionally. Pacquiao, 47, proved he still has the Pac-Man fire after thrilling battle with WBC champion Mario Barrios in 2025. Meanwhile, Mayweather, 49, is returning to the pro ranks following a high-profile spring exhibition against Mike Tyson. And this is the quote of Manny Pacquiao. And sabi niya dito, I dedicate this fight to fellow Filipinos around the world and I want Floyd to always remember who gave him that one loss. Manny Pacquiao. So, actually, nakagawa na ako ng graphics. Sa inyo ko unang papakita, ha? Sandali. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung graphics na ginawa ko. Load ko lang, ha? Yan. So, do you guys see it now? That is the quote from Manny Pacquiao. And I truly believe na kaya niyang talunin ngayon si Floyd Mayweather. Again, it might not be the prime fight that we all wanted. Well, in the first place, yung unang laban nila, it wasn't really sinasabi ng karamihan na it wasn't really the right time. But this is still definitely going to be the biggest or one of the biggest fight in boxing and in the biggest stage and sa The Spear pa. Ang ganda ng The Spear, guys. Kung i-research nyo yung The Spear. Actually, pakita ko sa inyo yung The Spear, ha? Nakita ko yung mga concert dito ni Backstreet Boys eh. The Spear, Las Vegas. Ito yung parang globe na sobrang, it's going to be an experience to watch here. Yan oh. Ito yung papanoodan mo guys oh. So yung screen pa lang ng The Spear, parang malulula ka na eh. Look at this. So imagine Manny Pacquiao, Floyd Mayweather rematch sa loob ng The Spear. It will be a treat. So maaga pa lang bumili na tayo ng tickets lahat, no? At kung sino man yung manonood, sabihin nyo sa akin ha. Again, I'm looking for sponsors to help bring me to Las Vegas. Sana si Manny Pacquiao na lang, no? Kasi gusto kong ma-part na finally on the last stage siyang maging part ng entourage ni Manny Pacquiao for the first time and the last time if kakayanin guys. So help me appeal to Manny Pacquiao and ayun po yung yun yung masasabi ni Manny Pacquiao diyan. He wants to defeat Floyd Mayweather and give him his first defeat, first one. Sana maalala ni Floyd Mayweather. Ang tanong ngayon sa comment section, we're gonna have probably a lot more conversation about this. Kumpirmado na, nasa BoxRec na, nasa lahat na. Ano ang prediction nyo sa laban? No, I mean, be honest with me. What do you think of the fight? And we'll probably have more conversation about this. Kung ano yung keys to win ni Manny Pacquiao, keys to win ni Floyd Mayweather. Do you think Floyd Mayweather is still in tip-top shape? And yun, kasi September pa naman eh. No? So mahaba-haba pa yung panahon nila mag-promote at mag-prepare ng laban. In fact, may mga laban sila sa April against si Mike Tyson and Floyd Mayweather sa Congo and the Provodnikov and Manny Pacquiao sa Las Vegas April din. So after that, siguradong marami silang Marami silang tinatawag na promotional tour. So I'm very excited about this. Kung excited ka, let me know. And again, let me know your predictions, your case to win, and your thoughts about this fight. We'll have more conversation about this soon, guys. Pero ayan yung press release. And pakibasa na rin po yung article ko sa paukas.net. So, nandito po lahat yan. Ipakita ko lang, ha? So, nandito po lahat. Ito po yung official website natin. Salamat, guys. Let me know what you think. Okay.